You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this expression correctly. We're going to look at the full form, which is financial technology. Financial technology, all right? Now, the pronunciation in English is not fintech, should be because it's financial, right? But it's actually pronounced fintech. Yes, don't ask me why. I mean, it makes more sense when you look at the word fintech. But it should be pronounced fintech because it's financial, but it's fintech. Do you know exactly why this is? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Fintech, fintech. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.